ever wondered whether those mystery shopping companies online are legit or total scams? This one is going to blow your mind, because today we are diving deep into Bear International, one of the biggest, most talked about mystery shopping companies in the world. I'm going to reveal the truth about Bear International using my own inside experience. I'm going to give you the real, no filter behind the scenes. That is the only truth most people will never tell you. So stay with me, because this might be the video that saves you time, money, and sanity as well. If you are new here, I'm Temere, and this is Creative Cash Lab, the channel where we test side hustles so you don't waste your time. Make sure you subscribe if you want honest breakdowns that actually help you to earn. Okay, so first things first, what exactly is Bear International? Imagine companies secretly hiring you to go into stores, restaurants, dealerships, hotels, even spas, just to see how good customer service their companies are offering. That's what Bear International does. They are a global mystery shopping and customer experience auditing company with operations in over 100 countries. Basically, they are the FBI of customer services. Most people think mystery shopping is fake or dead or just a scam, but Bear International has been operating for decades, and thousands of people around the world use them to make side money, test out services, or just satisfy their inner detective. And the other person who is also using this Bear International company is me. As I'm talking to you, I'm a member of the Bear International company. So how does mystery shopping with Bear works? First, you have to sign up on their website. After you sign up, you scroll through the available jobs, and suddenly you see something on their dashboard like visit a popular fast food chain, order a meal, observe staff behavior, and get reimbursed plus paid. That's how Bear usually works. And also, I should remind you this, when signing up for Bear, you have to write a few tests that they have for them to certify you and give you some certifications that you use when you are evaluating brands for the companies which work with Bear. So most of the times when you are telling someone that if you are doing mystery shopping, you can go to fast food outlets, order a meal, observe staff, they'll just say, oh, that's easy, it's super easy. Yes, it might sound easy, but sometimes it's not easy when you don't listen to all the instructions that they will tell you to do, because they will actually reject your report. So after you pick an assignment, Bear gives you a scenario that you might have to use. For instance, Bear can tell you to go and ask a specific question, or evaluate cleanliness, or even rate friendliness of the employees. There is also a time frame, like how long things should take. You must also note that when you are working with Bear, and you have to keep a poker face so that no one expects that you are evaluating them if you are working for Bear. The moment you leave the location, it means then your detective mode switch to reporter mode, because you then have to give a report to Bear International. If you are enjoying this breakdown, go ahead and tap the like button. It really helps Creative Cash Lab reach more people who need legit income ideas. What I love about Bear is a lot of people like me absolutely swear by Bear International because it's legit and they actually pay you. They don't have any weird requests where they ask you to send money first. Payments also hit your account fast after you have finished your assignments and your shops been approved. With Bear International, you have to choose PayPal because they pay you with PayPal. And also some other good parts of working with Bay are that you choose your schedule when going to do their evaluations. You can do your shop assignments on lunchtime, during your break, or even after work, or when you are traveling. Whatever time that fits you, that's where you go and evaluate. The other thing that makes me excited when I'm working for Bay is I have to act like a regular customer whilst secretly collecting all the information that I need. It's like I'll be a spy. So it's something that is even interesting. You get reimbursed for cool experiences. You can be reimbursed for going to restaurants, hotels, car dealerships, gyms, salons, and even literally get paid to try things that other people are paying full amount for. You can pay a quarter of that money when you are using Bay, and then they will also reimburse that money back. With Bay, it gives you the chance to build real skills, like you learn about observation, writing, and even time management, communication sometimes, and also negotiation skills. You also learn all those things when you are working with Bay. Yes, the benefits are real, but if that's all you have been hearing about Bay, you have been hearing the half and then missing the other half part of the story. So after you have signed up with Bay, you have to complete your profile. That's your age, language, skills, location, phone number, because a complete profile gets more tasks. With Bay, that's how they work. Most people sign up but don't know how to choose the best jobs. So here I'm going to give you a few hints which you can use to get the best paying jobs after you have signed up with Bay International. You have to learn to sort your tasks by payments. Tasks with short deadlines always increase pay because schedulers want them done quickly. So you have to also aim for repeated shops because some companies need monthly or weekly evaluations. When doing all these assignments with Bay, please keep in mind that we have to read job instructions carefully. Bay is strict about this. If you miss details like asking a specific question, your report might get rejected and you have to start it afresh if you want them to pay you your money. So on Bay, usually a small task will give you earnings which are not below 15 euro. So most of the tasks are 15 euro to 40 euro per task, which is good money. Which means when you do your tasks diligently with Bay, you can earn from 100 to 800 euro per month. It's not a full-time job, but a powerful side hustle. Important tips to avoid being blocked to work with Bay is never reveal you are a mystery shopper. You have to follow instructions properly. You also have to submit your report on time and beat deadlines. You must also keep your receipts and photos. And also don't fake reports. When you don't do an evaluation, just be honest that you didn't do an evaluation. Don't fake reports. So Bay is worth it. Yes, if you are looking for a flexible, easy way to make money online, this one is one of the best companies out there. If you want me to refer you for a quick response, comment in the comment section. Then I will help you sign up with Bay International as a mystery shopper. If you are tired of fake online jobs, tired of apps that don't pay, Bay International might be the best real side hustle you have ever tried. No hype, just simple tasks like going to a shop, asking a few questions, and getting paid. Let me show you the full truth, as I'm going to show you my proof of payment from last month.